Okay, today we're talking about tub, shower, and sink drain maintenance, especially if you have slow drains. The product we're using today in this short video is called Thrift. It's an odorless drain cleaner activated by hot water only. It's for small drains, grease traps, septic systems. Claims to work in 60 seconds. It pretty much does. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for this product. It's just a product I've used, had good luck with it. I'm sharing the information with you. You'll note on the directions, it talks about when fixtures begin to drain slowly. It's usually due to buildup of grease, hair, soap scum, bath oils, etc. So to prevent a complete stoppage, you want to let hot water run to warm the drain lines, the drain pipe, and then add 1 cup of Thrift directly into the drain opening. Then let hot water run until all chemical is dissolved. Let stand 1 minute, then flush again with hot water. And they suggest to keep drains working properly, add a half to 1 cup of Thrift once per month. I don't know if it's quite necessary to use it that often, to be honest. Now, obviously, if a drain is completely stopped, you're going to need to use an auger, a snake to snake the drain, or hire a professional plumber to snake the drain for you. And this is a non-acid formula. And just some important safety information here. Wear gloves, wear a face shield or safety glasses. You do not want this stuff splashing up in your face once it's activated by the hot water. It can cause severe skin burns, eye damage. So be very careful using the product. Don't stick your face over the drain as you pour this product in the drain. Keep your face away from it. When the chemical reaction starts, again, don't breathe in the fumes. Keep your face away from it. Keep kids and dogs away from the product as well. So here's the shower drain that we're going to clean today. You can see this one's dirty. It's been neglected, needs to be cleaned. So a pretty typical looking shower drain. This one's actually not too bad. I've seen them full of human hair. Look a lot uglier than this one. So I've already ran hot water down the drain. Now I'm going to pour about half a cup of the product in the drain. You can already see and hear it starting to foam inside the drain there. We'll let it sit, and then now we'll run some hot water down the drain. And here's what the finished product looks like. You can see it's much cleaner, much better.
Wow.
Another maintenance item for your sink drains in particular is inspect the P-traps. Make sure there's no leaks underneath the sink. Check all your slip joint nuts. Make sure they're tight, not loose. If you ever have a clog in your kitchen sink or bathroom sink, you can also undo that P-trap and dump the contents of the P-trap out, put it back on, run hot water through it, and that should help a lot of times alleviate slow draining sink drains.
Woo!
This one looks good. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment or a question. Thanks for watching.